Should be martial arts and self-defense become compulsory in schools and colleges like our compulsory subjects like math, science, physics. When this child is actually going to be 19 years of age, there'll be no man who'll have the courage to even look at her. And that's when after 20 years, India will truly be shining. Whether it's Aamir or whether it's Shah Rukh, I think they've had a very good influence in my life since I did my first two films with them.
Have you guys seen this absolutely awesome trailer? Can't wait for August 22nd. That's what Aamir Khan tweeted about the trailer of Mardani, and it's very rarely that Aamir tweets about any film, and he just says something about any film if he very strongly feels about it as well. And we have with us Rani Mukherjee today. A huge pleasure to have you back on Bollywood Hungama.
Thank you.
And how do you react to someone like Aamir, who's rarely known to tweet about something, and if he, I'm sure that you know about that as well, if he feels very strongly about something, then only he says something about it.
Right, absolutely. In fact, when Aamir saw the trailer himself, he told me himself that he's going to tweet about it because he strongly felt for what we were doing, and he really liked the trailer very much. So I think it was very sweet of him to do something like that. But obviously, it's only because he reacted to the trailer, and that's why he did it. So it was a very honest kind of a reaction that instantly made him tweet about it. A girl child who is about 3 years of age today in India, their parents should send her to a self-defense class, to a martial arts class, or they should be martial arts and self-defense become compulsory in schools and colleges like our compulsory subjects like math, science, physics, because we need to live in a society according to what society has become. Today, the way the society is turning out to be, you have no other choice but to make your children learn self-defense. Teach them about the value of how important self-defense is in today's day and age. So it's important to teach them that, so that when this child is actually going to be 19 years of age, there'll be no man who'll have the courage to even look at her in the eye. Because that man will know that this girl is a martial arts champion and she's going to kill him if he ever comes near her. And that's when after 20 years, India will truly be shining.
You've said that I've never heard Mr. Chopra till date saying one wrong thing about anyone in the industry, and that in an industry where people's daily pastime is only bitching. Adi is occupied with work, so he has no time for things like that. That is one aspect that you like about Mr. Chopra a lot.
Absolutely, because I think he's very positive, he's very optimistic, and he genuinely has nothing bad to say about anybody.
Right, and he likes to stay at home. That is something that you like a lot.
Not at all. I think he's a very social person. It's just that he doesn't go to places where there are flashbulbs. But he's definitely more social than I am. And after having him in my life, I've in fact started going out a lot. But going out in the language of media is only attending parties and events which are media related.
In a way, is Aamir your inspiration because he's a method actor as well? Jo bhi karte hain, like he just totally gets into it. And is he in a way your inspiration to just become the part because you become
whether it's Aamir or whether it's Shah Rukh, I think they've had a very good influence in my life since I did my first two films with them. And the kind of passion and dedication that I saw that existed in them even after being such big stars when I was a newcomer, I think that kind of instilled in me somewhere in my heart that, you know, if you have to be here in the industry, you have to really give your best at every given point of time. Doesn't matter how successful you are. And I think they've always been inspirations to me. And they've been people who I look up to in terms of how they conduct their professional life. And it's been like for an actor, every journey of a film is a different journey. And with each film, I try and work as hard as I can. I try to get into the skin of the character as much as I can by actually meeting people like that, or by actually learning their body language, or observing the way they are in their real life. So yes, with this film, it has been a journey for me. Meeting the crime branch officers, interacting with them, talking to them, knowing them so up close, and playing one of them. So actually, through this film, I'm actually kind of, giving a tribute to all the lady cops who are there in our country,
Right.
who, in the words of all the Joint Commissioners, are not only as good as the male cops but probably better.